Today I wore this shirt. It's from Goodwill. I thrifted it. It's a size extra large and it's from Lord & Taylor originally. A pair of H&M jeans that I rolled up and a pair of Mumu ballerina espadrilles. It was a little chilly today, so I wore this Madewell scarf that I really like, and this green jacket it's like a cargo jacket from the men's section. It was my husband's, but he didn't want any more, so I took it. I love it. And I'm carrying this clutch from Sam Edelman. I just ordered it on Amazon. So this is my look. These shoes are really cool. I got a lot of compliments on these today.